One thing that you can do for your skin that has an enormous impact and an immediate effect on how you look, it can literally make you look 10 years younger, and it can make your skin brighter and just healthier looking. I'm talking about removing and getting rid of dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and melasma. I started getting dark spots and hyperpigmentation back in my early 30s. And back then, 20 years ago, we didn't exactly have the products for fixing dark spots, for fixing melasma. So I never really paid too much attention. I think I was more focused on my career, and I was wearing foundation every day. One morning I woke up and I had them everywhere. I actually had a really big spot right here. This one took over a year to remove once I got the system down and I found the right products. But once again, back then, 15, 20 years ago, brands were not exactly hyper-focused on fixing issues like that. And also, they were not really paying attention on purity grade or concentration. It was just what we call in cosmetic science formulation, we call it for show or for claim. They will just put an ingredient in a formulation just so they can claim it on the label. Well, unfortunately, if you have pigment, if you have dark spots and hyperpigmentation and melasma, you kind of need the right concentration. You need some serious products. The same acids, basically, tranexamic and kojic acid and niacinamide, but you need the right concentration. I have tried tranexamic acid, at least 30 products that did absolutely nothing for my dark spots. Same with niacinamide. So it really depends on the concentration, the purity grade, and just the overall formulation of the product. So today I want to give you 5 products that are kind of with a high concentration. Let's start with the first product. This is by Eadem and it's called The Mark. And it is a concentrated product. So this is a product that's meant to go directly on the dark spot in a concentrated amount. You actually apply it with the tip. I would actually put it on my finger first and then you tap it onto whatever you have a dark spot. And this is a concentration of acids. It has tranexamic acid 5%. Tranexamic acid is an incredible ingredient specifically addressing dark spots because it inhibits directly the pigment. But as I mentioned, unfortunately, a lot of the products on the market contain very little concentration of tranexamic acid, which means that you either have to use that specific product for 10 years or it just doesn't do anything. This also has alpha-arbutin 1%, which is a great brightening. It also has 1% of kojic acid. So you put these 3 brightening, pigment inhibiting concentrations of ingredients, you will address directly the pigment and it will fade away. I mean, of course, you can't expect miracles, right? Because this is still pigment that's been accumulating there. So you need to give it a little bit of time. This is a very thoughtfully created product and it has the right ingredients and the right concentration of them. This also has a little bit of antioxidant support. I mean, technically it doesn't really matter because once again it's a concentration, so you apply it only over the spot, the dark spot, whatever you have it. But it does have a little bit of tocopherol, which is a great antioxidant support. It has vitamin E. So this little thing here is so powerful. I actually discovered Eadem a couple of years ago. Very gentle products, thoughtfully created. And this is also an inclusive brand. And I like inclusive brands because when you have to, as a brand, when you have to create products that are good for a variety of skin shades, deeper, lighter, it doesn't matter, then you're more thoughtful of how you combine ingredients and you're generally gentler. And you also have to test the variety of different skin shades. So there's more work technically that the brand has to do. And these guys are doing it. I recommend this. This is a great formula that it's not going to hurt you, but you will effectively remove dark spots. New product by Allies of Skin. I've been using a variety of Allies of Skin products, and what I like about Allies of Skin is the transparency about concentration. And it's one of the very, very, very few brands that actually puts the concentration directly on the bottle. And it also applies to their peptide serums, which I love. But this is the new serum. This is azelaic and kojic advanced clarifying serum. It has 10% of azelaic acid and 1% of kojic acid. This serum will be great for brightening effects of the skin. Now, I would also strongly suggest you use this before the summer, especially if you know that you're susceptible to melasma. This is one of the products that I think I'm going to be using from now on all throughout the summer, just because with the kojic acid and the azelaic acid specifically, it may help me prevent the torture and the suffering through getting melasma, which I usually get before the summer or throughout the summer. And I always rely on the quality of Allies of Skin. The quality, the purity grade, the concentration, again, everything is there. He's creating products that actually work at a somewhat of a reasonable price for what he's creating in the concentration levels, especially when it comes to his peptide serums. I think his products are valued the right way, and you are getting a lot of value in return. This you can combine with peptide serums. Every brightening serum, by the way, that's created on the market, you can create with retinols and etc. But this one, I would definitely combine with his peptides. So this will probably, out of all of these, this will probably give you the strongest brightening effect of the skin. Just kind of unifying the skin tone, brightening effect of the skin, and preventative melasma. Great product. The texture is very sophisticated, just like with all of his serums. The Outset Total Clarity Dark Spot Serum. The Outset is a clean brand. This is one of the very few clean brands that does not annoy me. I've said this before, but most clean brands, unfortunately, are very ineffective, especially when it comes to anti-aging stuff, because most clean brands are excluding a bunch of ingredients, and that's great. If you have sensitive skin, if you're irritated easily, that's, you probably have to buy those. But unfortunately, the ingredients that they're combining after that, after excluding all these potent actives, are just kind of a throwaway, if you ask me. They're completely useless. I think it's probably great for some hydration and some moisture. Very rarely I meet a clean brand that is actually effective. Works on anti-aging, works on brightening. Usually clean brands cannot use ascorbic acid. DHD maybe, but ascorbic acid really not, which is vitamin C. They can use ascorbic acid, specifically vitamin C, which is the most potent version of vitamin C. They can technically use it because vitamin C is a big irritant to a lot of people. I do not have sensitive skin, and I even avoid it, because you have to be very careful how you combine it. So clean brands have to avoid a lot of active ingredients like that. So they're left with, the ingredients that are kind of a throwaway. The Outset is not one of them. Also, the other thing that's always bothered me about clean brands is the scents. I don't know why they have not learned to mask the scents. Most of them, the products smell like the ingredients, and that's not a pleasant scent. And I just don't think that they invest enough in just kind of progressive, advanced, technologically advanced skincare ingredients and the technology of delivery system and etc. The Outset I actually like. Everything is completely fragrance free and it doesn't smell like anything. The textures are also super nice. And I really, really, really like the owner of the Outset. She is actively promoting her own brand and I respect that. This contains Melanin Even. I'm guessing it comes from melanin and even, so getting the melanin even. Melanin even is actually a patented ingredient. It's an alternative to vitamin C. It's kind of the gentler version of vitamin C. Now I do have to say this. I think it's a common misconception in skincare that vitamin C will help you with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and melasma. I think it's overstated. I think the effectiveness of vitamin C in that area when it comes to pigment, it's grossly overstated. On me, vitamin C does not have that effect at all. So if you have my skin tone, if you're kind of on the light side, I am very light. Vitamin C actually, usually during the summer, if I go outside and I have vitamin C on my face, especially ascorbic acid, I get melasma immediately. Like literally within an hour, I have melasma all over. So I've been avoiding vitamin C for a very, very, very long time once I realized that it's actually causing melasma. Now, it doesn't cause dark spots, but it doesn't help remove them either. Vitamin C is great as an antioxidant protection against oxidative stress, which is enormous when you think about it, because a lot of the damage to our face happens from oxidative stress, from environmental things. But I don't know, I have to kind of weigh the pros and cons of vitamin C for me specifically, and I realized a while ago that unfortunately the cons are, you know, kind of outweigh the pros in my case. So I had to find a better alternative for oxidative stress, to fight oxidative stress, and I found Chibula from True Botanicals, which I think it's a way better antioxidant anyway. I think a lot of dermatologists, and specifically in the media, we're still talking about vitamin C because this is kind of the OG of ingredients. I mean, vitamin C has been studied for a very, very, very long time. And yes, there's some clinical studies. It shows that yes, it does give you antioxidant protection. It gives you protection against oxidative stress. But that was 30, 40 years ago. Nowadays, 30, 40 years later, we have other ingredients that are better. I'd rather load up the peptides, by the way, because to some extent, peptides do have anti-inflammatory, and some of the groups of peptides will give you oxidative stress support as well. And once again, vitamin C can be quite irritating to a lot of people with sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this is actually a good product. With prolonged usage and with the melanavin, which is a patented ingredient, you may have some success without irritation. Because what's the point of trying to fix a problem when you all of a sudden you get sensitive and irritated and you actually kind of look worse? This also contains photozymes V, which kind of gives you UV protection, defense. It has some fruit extracts and which kind of gently exfoliate the skin. The enzymes may actually give you the fading of the dark spots. And overall, the texture is great. It's hydrating. It has clean alternative ingredients. It has a good patented alternative for vitamin C. It will give you great antioxidant and maybe a light, over time, a light fading away of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. I think it's a great product for people with sensitive skin. Other science, I've spoken about these before. Both of these contain melasazine. I spoke about melasazine, I think I started last year when I started using these products, but we have the molecular hero serum, which is melasazine, and then retinol synergist, which is melasazine plus retinol. Why do I like these products? Number one, melasazine is kind of a new hero ingredient to prevent specifically melasma, which for me has been the biggest pain in where. And I started using these two products before last summer, and for the first time in 20 years I did not get melasma, which for me was shocking. I get melasma absolutely every summer, especially if I go to a beach or if I'm more in the sun. I get it immediately. It takes me months to reverse the damage afterwards. This completely prevented me from having melasma. And this is why I love these two products. I no longer get dark spots and hyperpigmentation, but melasma I get within an hour. And when I work so hard to preserve my skin the way that it is, and I'm compiling all these skincare regimens to help my skin with wrinkles and sagging and etc., and then I get melasma, which ruins everything. It doesn't matter if my face is completely smooth, no lines, no wrinkles, no sagging, everything is great, but I have melasma and dark spots all over. So that's very frustrating for me. So when I discovered these two, I'm gonna stick with them because they definitely prevent melasma. And also, just so we're clear, melasazine is an ingredient that is also a great antioxidant. So technically it replaces completely vitamin C as well. Now what works in these products is actually niacinamide. So melasazine will prevent melasma, niacinamide will actually brighten because niacinamide inhibits the pigment. Niacinamide is the ingredient that will kind of directly inhibit the pigment, it will remove or fade away dark spots and hyperpigmentation. And also both of them contain tocopherol, which is also an antioxidant. So these are much better alternatives for vitamin C because they are antioxidants, but they also help with fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation. They also prevent melasma, and also in one of them, the Retinol Synergyst, you have retinol, which will help with anti-aging, lines, wrinkles, sagging, and etc. My new discovery, I'm actually in love with these products because for me, they solved a really big, very annoying problem that I've had for 15 years. So these are my new discoveries when it comes to fixing that little but big, very annoying problem to a lot of us. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon. Bye.